First, we inhale air through our nose. The air enters the nasal cavity where it is moistened, filtered, and warmed. Air continues down past the back of your pharynx and then past the epiglottis, which prevents food from entering the trachea. Next, the air travels down the trachea until it comes to the bronchi that branch off into the left and right lungs. The tubes bringing the air into your body get smaller and smaller. These tubes are now called bronchioles. At the end of these lungs are little sacs called alveoli. Here is where the gas exchange takes place. Oxygen is transferred out of the air and into the blood, carried in the capillaries that surround the alveoli. At the same time, carbon dioxide is being transferred from the blood back into the alveoli. Finally, the air containing carbon dioxide goes back up the trachea and goes out of your mouth. This is the process of the respiratory system.
Step number 1. First, it'll enter through the mouth and be chewed up by the teeth and digested by the saliva. Then it will go down the esophagus into the liver. Then from the liver, it will go to the stomach and be digested by acids. From the stomach, it'll go down into the small intestine and go through and be digested by small molecules. From the small intestine, it will enter the large intestine. Then from the large intestine, it'll go out the anus, which will be pooped out.
The oxygen-poor blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and releases carbon dioxide. Newly oxygenated blood is carried from the lungs through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium pumps the oxygenated blood past the valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps the blood through the valve, through the aorta, and out the arteries. The aorta then pumps the blood to the whole body, but in this case, the blood's being sent to the brain.
Oh, dude, that's not...
Once the blood reaches the brain, the oxygenated blood and nutrients are exchanged for carbon dioxide and released in the capillaries. Veins then collect the deoxygenated blood and transport it to the veins.
Nathan?
Yes.
None of the computers in here today.
The deoxygenated blood travels down the vein, then goes through the superior vena cava into the right atrium. The oxygen-poor blood then passes through the valve into the right ventricle. The blood gets pushed through the valve and is sent at the pulmonary artery on either sides of the heart. The deoxygenated blood then receives oxygen from the lungs.
Deoxygenated blood is switched with the oxygenated blood, and it starts the whole process once more.